How to withdraw money from Pandabuy. Hey guys and welcome back. On today's tutorial, let us see how can we get our money back or withdraw money from Pandabuy. So first of all, open any of your browser and go to pandabuy.com. To get logged in, tap on the login button from the top right corner and then click on your credentials. Once this is done, tap on the profile icon and then tap on user center. In Sub User Center from the side panel, you will see different options. Thereby, you have to tap on Wallet. This way, you'll be able to see your balance and everything. So once you have seen your balance, click on your balance and here, you must have a refund button. Tap on the refund option and the refund process will be initiated. In this time, the amount will be frozen for 2 to 3 business days till it is working so that you can no longer access this. But once the process is completed, the balance will be withdrawn to your bank account or any other account that you have used originally. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.